Hello people of the internet, my name is Tatiana. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a fall collection, or at least some pieces from the fall collection from a brand called Petite Studio. In case you haven't seen my previous video, I will link it somewhere. I discovered them only recently, so I'm curious to see what they created for the fall collection. In case you don't know anything about them, Petite Studio is an indie brand based in New York. It is run by real petites that create clothing for short people. Before we get into the try-on, as always, here are my sizes for comparison. Petite Studio team was kind enough to give me a 15% discount code for you, so here it is. And let's have a look at what we have here today, shall we? If you've been following my videos for a little while now, you know I'm a sucker for a good sweater. So today we have this mossy green sweater. This sweater contains almost 60% of alpaca hair, so it's really warm. And I know a lot of people ask about the comfort and like, is it scratchy? It is a teeny tiny bit scratchy, just like every sweater is as soon as there is real wool, but it's not like uncomfortable or anything. It's just that if you are easily irritated and you're only used to the synthetic fibers, this might not be a piece for you. I, however, love real wool sweaters, so I'm extremely happy with this. I really like the details of this sweater, and the buttons are so creative. Like, it's not, none of the buttons is the same. It's like a little stone, actual button, a little I don't know, a crystal or something. It's really cute, and the buttons are not like real buttons that you put through a hole, but these like clip-in mechanism. It's a really nice piece, and I feel like the color is so perfect. I think I've seen this color in a lot of Pinterest boards, and I'm really excited to wear this. Next up, we have this chocolate brown leather jacket. I'm actually not sure if it's a real leather. Probably not. It's a fall leather jacket. It feels really soft and flexible. You know, sometimes when you get these fall leather jackets, they are super sturdy and you just put them on and you're kind of stuck in one position. This one is really soft and stretchy, and it's also like not, it doesn't sound plasticky, so it's really nice. The jacket is fully lined and you can button it all the way up to your neck. The jacket fits a little bit tight on the hips, so as soon as I button all of the buttons, I feel like I need to flip the button kind of inside out to make it fit a bit nicer. I'm not sure, maybe this is like the intention and that's actually how you're supposed to wear it. I think it looks really cute cropped like this, but it also looks really nice when it's unbuttoned. It has these like big balloon sleeves, and I was a little bit worried at first because my shoulders are a bit broad. But I think it's still very flattering despite my build. Oh, and I forgot to mention, everything that I have here today is a size medium. In the first try-on, first impressions that I did, I think I went with a bunch of things in a size small and they were a bit tight, so this time I opted for a size bigger, and I think it was a good decision. I had another look on their website, and it looks like now there are actually sizes of the garments, so it's a bit easier to pick out your real size. It's a bit more of a guideline. I feel like I have been missing that before, so it's really nice that they added this. Suede jackets and blazers have been such a hit this season, but also were popular last year already. It's again not a real leather. The jacket is fully lined. There's also a little pattern at the end of the sleeves, so if you want to roll it up because it's maybe too long for you, you have a little fun element there, and it just looks really proper and put together. One thing that I don't necessarily love about this jacket is that the shoulders are pitted. It's not flattering for me. I think I'm more on the robust side, but if you're a true small build petite person, this might be just the thing for you. I just think it makes my shoulders a bit too wide, and I know this is meant to fit oversized, but I think it's not that flattering for me. But in general, I think it's a really beautifully done jacket, and I think if it didn't have the padding, this would be my go-to jacket for the fall. Or I don't know, I mean, you're seeing this video and how it fits on me. Please tell me, maybe it looks good and I'm just being super critical about myself. Last but not least, I have two pairs of wool blend pants. I think these are such an amazing piece. I know they look a little bit long on me, but I think that is intentional, and in general I like this kind of fit of pants. I think the fit is actually quite perfect. I went according to the waist size and it fits like it was made for me. Like I was actually measured and it was made for me. I think it's really flattering. The pockets are huge and I really like the detail of these like fake buttons. There is this little clasp mechanism, so it also makes it, you know, a bit easier to get dressed in the morning, a little bit faster, so you don't have to worry about putting the buttons together. I do have to say the lighter colored version feels a little bit softer than the dark one. I'm not sure, maybe there is like a different fabric situation happening. They both contain wool, but maybe one of them perhaps contains more of it, and that's why one is more soft than the other. I'm not sure, online it says that they both contain 20% of wool, so it seems to be the exact same stuff. Maybe I'm just imagining this. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you thought about the pieces in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye!